see the SVPAST Auto CPAP machine. This looks like a really decent machine, sounds really cool. Let's open it up and see what we think of it. So first thing I notice after opening it is that it comes in a really nifty bag here, so it can be completely self-contained, perfect for traveling or anything else you need to do because it all fits into here. Everything I need to know how to work my new CPAP machine. A little guide on how to fit the mask to your face so you get a proper fit. My tubing, power cords, and finally the machine itself. And that all fits right into this little bag. The Auto CPAP machine has an automatic single-level LCD screen with comprehensive information display, it makes it clearer and easier to read. The humidifier is easy to remove and it adapts to a drawer-type structure and an open sink for easy water filling and cleaning. So as you can see, with it on and it on my face, this is not making noise. This is very subtly, there's a very subtle sound to it that most people will be able to ignore. It's more like white noise, and so I can attach this to my head using the fancy dancy head straps here. This Auto CPAP machine automatically detects the sleep state and determines the point of falling asleep and auto-starts the delayed boost. It auto-detects inhalation movements and auto-starts ventilation. It will also automatically detect mask removal and will stop ventilation. And this is extremely adjustable. Don't worry about losing sleep anymore. With this CPAP machine, noise is controlled at 30 decimal points, letting you sleep very comfortably. And it is extremely adjustable, very easy to adjust to get on and off your face, but also is nice and soft. It was not weirdly rubbing, and this is an easy washable material too in case you are a sweater when you are sleeping and everything else. I have my water tank right over here. It is filled up to the water level. Don't overfill it. You could run into issues, but I can sleep easy knowing that my water tank is not going to backflow into my battery, but will still give me that humidified air that I need when I'm sleeping and breathing. As a safety precaution, this CPAP machine will prevent any water from backflowing and damaging the internal motor. It has 5 levels of humidity adjustments to meet the needs of every individual and environment. And if you need to keep track of your sleep records, you can insert an SD card and upload all your data.